Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this episode, we want to treat a question under linear inequality which involve fractions. So we have 2x plus 1 over 3 minus 3x minus 1 over 2 less or equals what? 0. So what do? We know that under linear equations, we learn that if there is a equation that involves fractions, the best is to eliminate that fraction using the LCM of the denominators. So in this case, our denominators are 3 and what? 2. So what will be the LCM of 3 and 2? That will be 6. So you multiply through both left side and the right side by that LCM. Good. If you are new, consider subscribing, like, and follow. So multiplying through will be 6 times 2x plus 1 over 3 minus 6 times 3x minus 1 over 2 less or equals to 6 times what? 0. Now bear in mind that we are introducing the bracket which is already not there. We are introducing the bracket because the numerator is not a single term. The numerator is 2 terms. We can see that there are 2 terms as our numerator. If you don't introduce your bracket, you may end up using the LCM to multiply only the first term, leaving the second term. Because if there's no bracket, you'll be having 6 times 2x plus 1. I believe you may add this to be 12x plus 1. But if the bracket is introduced, then the 6 can have effect on all the terms in our numerator. So this is 6 divided by 3. 3 can go there 2 times. 6 divided by 2. 2 can go there 3 times. So now the fraction is cleared. We are left with only 2 into bracket 2x plus 1 minus 3 into bracket 3x minus 1 less or equals what? 0. 6 times 0 is still 0. So now we move into linear inequality involving brackets. So expand to remove the bracket. 2 times 2 will give us 4. Then the x will follow. 2, 1, 2. Negative 3 times 3x will be negative 9x. Negative 3 times negative 1. Positive 3 less or equals to 0. We can see that our variables are already on the left side. So we take our constant to go to the right hand side. So how will I move 2? I subtract 2 from 2. So 2 from the left, 2 from the right. How will I take away this 3? I subtract 3 from this 3. So 3 minus 3 will give me 0. Then 3 minus 0 minus 3 will also be here. So that leaves us 4x minus 9x less or equals to minus 2 minus what? 3. Since I'm subtracting 2 from both sides and 3 from both sides. This is going to be 4x minus 9x, as in 4 apple minus 3 apple, which obviously 4 is less than this, will be in depth of 5. So minus 5x less or equals to, this will also be negative 2 plus negative 3. And that will be a double of that negative. So negative 5. So we are left with variable at one side, constant at one side. But our variable has a coefficient, which in this case having a negative coefficient. From our introductory word lesson, we did mention that anytime you are going to divide inequality by a negative sign, the signs of the inequality changes. Meaning I'll be having minus 5x divided by minus 5. The signs of this become greater or equals to minus 5 over minus 5. It is this minus 5 we are using to divide as the coefficient. So 5 divided by 5 will cancel. You have x greater or equals to what? 1. So the value of x that will satisfy this expression is values of x that are greater than or equals to 1. So 1 satisfy, 2, 3, 4 in that order. Thank you so much for watching. If you like, do share with your learning mates, comment, and bye-bye.